In this video, I will show you how to use the masking function in CapCut's video editor to create cool effects, like walking behind a tree and disappearing completely. All of this can be done with the masking function, and I will simplify the process so you can start using it right away. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To explain masking, I am in CapCut with two simple images. I have a red background image, and as an overlay, I have a blue image. What I'm gonna do is enlarge the blue image to cover the entire screen. Scroll through the options until we find the masking tool, and I will select Split. When you tap masking, it basically divides the image into two parts. One that will be visible according to the option you chose, and another part that won't be visible. Masking allows you to cut out a video and create effects like this. You can also use shapes like a circle, which is useful for blurring or hiding someone's face. As you can see, I can create shapes with the overlay, allowing us to create cool effects. Now let's go to this other project. We will create our tree effect. Here I have a video of me walking forward. Obviously this doesn't look impressive because you can still see me. What we're going to do is to make the left side the overlay and the right side will be the bottom clip or background clip. You'll see how this works as we go along. First tap on overlay, then tap add overlay and select your video. This is just a clip where nothing happens. I recorded it twice, but what we'll do is tap on masking and tap split and remove the part we don't need, which is everything to the right of the tree. To do this, you need to move this point to the center of the line. First, we will rotate it. You can do this using two fingers or with the rotate option, and we will move it to the tree. This will cut the clip in half and create two separate clips, one on top of the other, but cut by this line here. If you move this other circle, it will create a fading effect. Now, we'll use the tree as the point where the clips are separated. To make it clearer, I'll tap on adjust, increase the brightness, and now it's more evident that there are two clips, one on each side of the tree. I'll return the brightness to normal to make it look like a single clip. Now, here is the interesting part. Watch what happens when I hit play. I am walking forward, and then I completely disappear behind the tree because the top clip is just a blank clip, perfectly aligned with the tree. So it looks like I vanish into thin air. This is probably one of the easiest methods to create a masking effect. Keep in mind that when filming outdoors, unpredictable things can happen, like someone walking into the shot or the wind moving things in the background. Take this into account if you are doing this effect. It might be easier to do indoors than outdoors, but it can be done either way. You can also use the same masking effect in different ways. For example, to censor part of a video, we'll copy the main video by tapping duplicate, tap overlay, and position it over the original video. Now we'll tap effects, open the basic category, or use the search bar and select the blur effect. Tap the effect that was added into the timeline, tap objects, and choose the second one on the right. This is the overlay video we copied a moment ago, and it will apply the blur effect to this superimposed video. Now go back to the overlay section, tap on the video, tap the mask button, choose a circle and blur a face. You can use keyframes to track the face of the person you want to blur. Let me know what kind of videos you are making with your phone in the comment section, and if you want to improve the quality of the videos you create, tap the playlist that appears on the screen right now, where you will learn the best tips and tricks for editing from your phone.